Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Robinhood app. First, download the Robinhood app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and begin the sign-up process. You'll need to provide some personal information and link your bank account. This step is crucial for funding your investments and withdrawing any earnings. The entire setup is designed to be straightforward, getting you ready to trade quickly and efficiently. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the Robinhood home screen. It provides a quick overview of your portfolio and market trends. To find specific investments, simply use the search bar at the top. You can look up individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, or even cryptocurrencies. Each asset has a dedicated page showing its current price, historical performance, and relevant news, helping you make informed decisions. Placing a trade on Robinhood is simple. Select the asset you wish to buy or sell, enter the amount, and confirm your order. You can also set up recurring investments to automatically buy a fixed dollar amount of an asset on a schedule. Regularly check your portfolio's performance to see how your investments are doing. This allows you to make timely adjustments and rebalance your holdings as needed to meet your financial goals. Beyond basic trading, Robinhood offers advanced order types such as limit and stop orders, giving you more control over your trades. Take advantage of their extensive educational resources to deepen your understanding of investing and market strategies. These tools can help you refine your approach and potentially improve your returns. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.